Is your Android TV box stuck on a red light and not turning on? Let's fix it in just a few steps. Step 1. Power cycle. Unplug your TV box from power, wait at least 1 minute, then plug it back in. Sometimes a simple restart clears the red light issue. Step 2. Check power adapter. Make sure you're using the original power adapter. A faulty or low voltage adapter can keep the box stuck in standby mode. Step 3. Reset button. Find the small reset button, usually at the back or bottom. Use a pin to press and hold it for 10-15 seconds while powering on the box. This forces the system to reboot. Step 4. Firmware update. If your box boots but still freezes, update the firmware. Go to Settings About Update or download the update file from your TV box manufacturer's website. Step 5. Contact support. Last option. If none of these work, it might be a hardware issue. Contact your box manufacturer or replace the adapter box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more solutions.